Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to the ultimate Ramadan quiz. Let's see how much you know about the holy month of fasting. I'll ask a question, give you 3 options, and then reveal the correct answer. Let's begin. Which month comes after Ramadan? Shawwal. What is the meal before fasting called? Suhoor. How many days are there in Ramadan? 29 or 30. What is another name for Laylatul Qadr? Night of Power. What is fasting called in Arabic? Sawm. What is another name for Zakatul Fitr? Fitra. How many rak'ahs are there in Taraweeh? 20. In which year was the first fast observed? 2. AH. What is the meal that ends the fast called? Iftar. Which angel brought the Quran to the Prophet? PBUH. Jibril. Which surah in the Quran mentions Ramadan? Surah Baqarah. How many gates does Jannah have? 8